The Mazda CX-50's infotainment system, while generally robust, can experience glitches. Resetting it is a key troubleshooting step. There are two main types of resets: a soft reboot, which is like restarting your computer, and a factory reset, which restores the system to its original settings. A soft reboot is the first thing you should try for minor issues like a frozen screen or an app not responding. To perform a soft reboot, simply turn off your car's ignition. Wait 30 seconds, then restart the car. This clears temporary memory without erasing your personal data. If the soft reboot doesn't fix the problem, or if you're experiencing persistent issues, then move on to a factory reset. If the display isn't working at all, ensure your car battery is above 12 volts and check all connections before assuming hardware failure. A factory reset erases all user data, so back up any important information first. To perform a factory reset, go to Settings in your infotainment system. Then select System. Choose Factory Reset. Confirm that you want to proceed, and the system will restore itself to its default settings. This can resolve more serious software issues. If your display is completely unresponsive, first try a soft reboot. If that doesn't work, and you've tried a factory reset with no luck, the issue might be hardware related. Consult your Mazda dealer for further assistance, as DIY hardware modifications can void your warranty. Remember, Mazda recommends soft resets first and escalating to factory resets only if issues persist. Always perform resets when the vehicle is parked to avoid distractions.